What we want to do now is start adding some things to it. If you wanted to add a color of a background, there's a few different ways. You can go over to your swatches and click on the set background color, double click. You can find a color you like. You can move up on the sidebar here and go inside and pick a tone value that you want to work with. And you can then use your paint bucket and click. So I've just put a blue background on the whole background. If you wanted to, I'll just Control Z that, Command Z that, and undo the move. If you want to only have it on the one side, what you could do is you could actually use a shape. And I'm going to use over here, if I hold it down, you'll see it's the rectangle tool. I'm going to make a new layer. And right now, if I fill it in, it will be that blue color. You can double click, pick a different color. And I'm just gonna draw a shape over here. I went extended beyond just to make sure that it would be a full colored fill. If I want to adjust it, you can click up here for your swatches. You can put on a gradient if you want. Right now the gradient right here, the green and the white is defaulting from over on the sidebar. Here I have green and white. The next one is green and transparency, and since we have a white background, it's green and white anyways. And these are some system gradients. If you want to edit it, you can just double click down here and you'll be given your swatches. You can also add more values in by just clicking in and adding them. You can also click and drag them up and remove them. So that's how you add gradients and solid fills. If you wanted to go back later and you decided that you wanted to change it, you can just click on the rectangle, and as long as you're back on this rectangle on the sidebar, you have the option to go back and adjust it. I can go back to a solid fill, or I could even just leave it blank if I want to for now, for design reasons. You can turn your eye off so it's hidden, but it's still actually there, and turn it back on if you want.